Get ready! First by Buboti, Steamrolls, number 11, Talongpinas, number 1, number 14, number 23, and number 27. Number 8 comes. Now, round by Wallace. Mama. Back to number 11. Elvira. Wala. Ibang pa rin ang number 20. Number 14. Number 15, back to number 14.
14 to shoot. Time to shoot.
Number 27 to number 8 comes. In and out. Number 1, Sumira. Wala. Celtics for the rebound. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. It's
14 on the shot clock.
Number 14.
Time to shoot.
Dribbling the ball. To number 8. Number 27.
5 to shoot.
There is a foul committed by number 23. First personal foul, first team foul.
Time to shoot.
Foul by number 11.
14 to shoot.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Time to shoot.
Number 19, Chops. Wala. Wolves for the rebound. Pass break, pass to number 1. Jumps, 2 points by number 1.
CJ Piñalver.
To shoot.
Number 11 foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Time to shoot.
Number 33, Mama. Jumps, in and out. Celtics for the rebound. And there is a foul committed by number 27. First personal foul, fourth team foul. Guarding for penalty ang Wolves. Regalado. Bounding the ball to number 19. Tadala. Regalado. Number 27. Head sheet. 2 points by number 19. Good job. Intercept by number 15. To Regalado. Drop. And there is some timeout. Wolves. first quarter. 27-1. Number 11. Intercept by number 15. Wolves ball. 19 to shoot. Level. To number 23 jumps. In and out. And it's the last touch by number 23. Mama. Regalado, pass break pass. Intercept by number 23, last touch. Celtics ball. Intercept by number 23. Pass break to number 11. To number 1. Mama. Jumps. And there is a foul committed by number 15. Number 15, second personal foul. Second team foul. A basket count by Mama. Bonus shot by Mama. In and out. Celtics for the rebound. Number 14. Pulling the ball. And there is a foul called by our referee, Benji. Number 1 foul. Penalty. Sorry, we are late. First throw by number 14. Success. Second throw. 2 out of 2 by number 14. Regalado. Wolves number 1. Dribbling the ball. To number 23. Number 14. 14 to shoot. Number 1 to Hira sa 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 14. Jumps. 2 points by number 14. Score is deadlock. It's all. Remaining time 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Ready to shoot. Enjoy. Pass to Tuper. 14 to shoot. Enjoy jumps. In and out. And then rebound by number. Foul by number 23. Penalty. Number 23, second personal foul. Unang tira, pasok. Martinez for the second throw. 2 out of 2. Timeout. Celtics. Who is fouled up? Number 9. Number 8, sorry. Now for 40 jumps, 2 points. Score is 15-8. Last 10 seconds. 2 points by number 19. 5. Angels.
Burger. Angels Burger.
Wolves ball. Garcia. Ooh, miscommunication. Same. Miscommunication also. Good pass. Tumira ng tres.
My Tommy!
Wow! Lipatan. 14 to shoot. Number 18 to number 44. Back to lipatan. Jumps. In and out. Walks for the rebound. Number 18. Jumps. It's a block by number. There is a foul. 44. First personal, first team foul. To shoot. 10 to shoot. 95 jumps. And now, works for the rebound. Number 18 to Lipatan. Lipatan, Talado. Yes, 2 points by
Tawing.
Counts. 2 points by Triple Five. Score is 17-15. Works for 2 points. 18, 2 points. 19-15. 4-point lead by Rules. 0-0. Jumps. In and out. There is a foul by number 31, Lefata. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw by number 00. Yes, sir. Second throw by double O. 2 for 2. Away, number 18. 14 to shoot. Lipatan, Tubati. 10 to shoot. Time out! Whoa! So, 2 points by number 46. Pass break but intercept by number 555. 0-0. Jumps. In and out. Rebound by number 25. 2 points by number 25. To shoot. 2 points by number 44. Second deadlock of the game. 21 all. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 to shoot. Garcia for 2. Body, number 18. 14 to shoot. Number 8. 10 to shoot. Basic basketball by Mr. Away. Mr. Sole. Oh, intercept by number 8 to number 18. Away. To number 8. Jumps. In and out. Rebound by Celtics. Number 11 Garcia. To number 00. Back to. And there is a foul. Committed by Voice Foul Rep. Voice Foul muna. Time out. So number 8. First throw. In and out. First miss by Garcia. Second throw. Basket count. 1 of 2 by Garcia. Body. To number 44. Back to number 8. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 8. 10 to shoot. 16 by number 6. And number 46. Jumps. In and out. There is a foul committed by number 46. First personal foul. First team foul. Fourteen to shoot. Lipatan. 10 to shoot. Lipatan. 5 to shoot. Steal by Garcia. Pass break to number 46. Lays up. 2 points by number 46. Body. Take away. Pass by number 00. Straight to the basket. Yes. Easy 2 points by Mr. Tawai. The number 55 or 555 jumps. 2 points by 555. Pass break to Lipada. 2 points. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Lepada tumira. Tumilang yung ring, idol. Pagod na.
Oye, Lipata!
Celtics ball. 3-5. Throw it to number 00. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Lays up. 2 points by Garcia. One minute remaining time for the second quarter. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. $31. 5 to shoot. Away, tumira ng 3. Wala. Narimang pa rin ni Wolves. Jumps. In and out. Celtics for the rebound. Pass break pass to number 46. Pass to number 345. 2 points. Right, 345. 15 seconds left. Intercept by Garcia. Jumps. In it out. Rebound pa rin niya, 2 points. 5 seconds left. Second personal, second team foul. Wala pang penalty. Last 2 seconds. Final by our referee Michael Almonte. It's counted. 2 points only. Third quarter, Celtics ball. To number 19.
Third quarter. Ba't may bata dyan?
Number 23, counts 2 points by number 20.
Oh, bakit may bata dyan? Dalawa, tatlo.
Number 8, Maki. 14 to shoot.
Magkakapatid ata itong bata.
Usmaki, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound ng Celtics.
Ha?
Pass break to number 8. Intercept by Joan Santos, number 30. Jumps, sir. 2 points by Santos.
Oh, galing ng bata, galing ng bata, galing ng bata.
And it's the last stats by number 90 of Celtics. So,
Atwell, huwag ka manulak. Uy, nakalusot sana.
Bernal for the rebound. Pass break to number 19. Binalik sa number 8. Ay, pinasa sa kalaban. Magandang assist. Number 8. Jumps. 2 points for number 8. Score is 30-33. Celtics for 5 points. And nahalo ni Santos. Lays up for 2. Taiwan Celtics is brought to you by
Brought to you by Angel's Burger.
number 8 to number 19. Pass to Bernal. Bernal lays up. Yes, sir. 2 points, Bernal. Number 8 jumps. 2 points, number 8. To shoot. 10 to shoot. Bernal jumps. Rebound. By Bernal.
Yan. Dati ano rin. Dati player din sa Pinas.
To shoot. Jumps. In and out. There is the last stats. Stay wall. 14. to shoot. Ni number 8. Pass break to number 23. Naagaw ni number 8. Tuloy-tuloy. Pinalik kay Santos. Tugos Maki. To number 8. Jumps. Wala pa rin. Agaw pa rin na number 8.
Uli!
To shoot. Santos jumps. 2 points.
Grabe ang Santos, no? Pero wala yan sa'yo, yan, idol.
Score is 43-39.
Pili maglaro yan.
Official.
Ay, sakit na!
10 to shoot. There is a foul committed by number 8. Second personal foul. First team foul. Dalawang tira para kay number 15. Pumasok ang unang tira. Pangalawang tira. 1 up to 2 only by number 15. It's so good. There is a foul committed by 19.
Francisco.
Number 19, Tadalan first personal foul. First team foul. Dalawang tira ni Santos, wala ang unang tira. Second throw. 1 out of 2 by Johan Santos. Tadalan. 14 to shoot. The number 8 jumps. Yes sir, 2 points by number 8. To shoot.
Bata!
2 points by number 19, Tadalan. Number jumps, in and out. Santos for the rebound, jumps, in and out again. Okay, isang bola nagkagawan, ayun. May jump ball na itinawag si referee. Celtics ball.
Grabe! Power! Power!
Celtics ball. Stop the third quarter, Carvalho. Oh, sorry. Tables mistake. Tables error po. Tables error. Sorry. Wolves ball. Wolves ball. Okay, back to the ball game. Then to shoot. Santos layup. Miss his layup. Bernal for the rebound. Pass to number 19 jumps. 2 points by Tadala. Pass by to Aaron. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Celtics. There is a foul committed by number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul. Here's number 8, Super Wall. Over Brad. And on touch, number 19, harassment number 8. Number 19, round on one play. Mikot, bigay number 8. Nice pass for 2. Here's number 2 points. Number 13, harassment number 19. To number 1, sa ilalim. Bumangga! Wala! Di pumasok. Rebound by number 13. Sa ilalim. Lays up for 2. Jersey number 13. 2 points. Here's number 10. Here's number 19. They will call number 19. Gives number 15. You see that ball. Steady score 51-42. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 23. 23. Give it to number 19. Paired out. To Miller. Cross. No, sir. Rebound by Gibson, number 1. 55-42. 13-point lead by the Celtics. Number 8, dribble the post sa gitna, pinasa, bounce pass. Closer, rebound by number 13. Right time, right place, there's a foul. Who's foul up? Here's number 15. 1 minute and 53 remaining seconds. In the third quarter, free throw for jersey number 13, Santos. First turn. Yes, sir. Second final throw, jersey number 13. Yes, sir. Perfect. 2 for 2. Nadala, you're going to ball. 14 to shoot. The jersey number 8. 10 to shoot. Sa ilalim. Number 8 for 3. No, sir. Rebound by jersey number 13. Dribble the haras. There's a foul. Who's fouled up? Jersey on number 8. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Red eye, 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Ano pang ano?
Number 13, Santos, number 8. Give it to number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball. Look for number 8. Ang ganda na pass sa gitna. Haras by number 15. 15 to shoot. Number 1. No, sir. Rebound by number 8. Back to number 19. Umikot. May ganda nagpihit. Number 19. By Subabet. Who's fouled up?
Anong pangalan? Diego.
Foul, jersey number 13. Bakit foul?
Orlando.
2 shots.
Uniform nyo ba?
First foul and third team foul. Number 19. Can't to shoot. Number 15 na lang basa. By Subabet. Who's fouled up? Foul, jersey number 8. 2 free throws for jersey number 3. Third personal foul, warning for penalty for Team Wolves. 34 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Ikuya mo lang pag ano.
First throw, no sir. Second throw. Wolves. Ang pinakamahaba at pinakamatagal na liga sa buong UAE. Dito lang sa old school. 34 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. For 3. Bang! Here's the number 1. 3 points. 18 seconds. Shot clock off. 15 seconds remaining. There's a foul. Foul on. Here's the number 8.
Penalty.
Penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. 12 seconds remaining.
Ay, nako.
First free throw. Short. 55-47, 8-point lead by the Celtics. Second. Yes, sir. 1-1. 12 seconds remaining. There's the number 8. Ang ganda ng pasa. Yes, sir. 2 points. Jersey number 6, fast break play number 19. Okay.
Last quarter.
Number 14, New Jersey number 0. Easy na po. Looking for a break. Bigay sa gitna, Jersey number 11. Kick out pass to Bernal. Sumalaksak sa gilid. Bernal, lumikot. Napayungan. Jersey number 12. Fast break play. Intercepted by 5. Number 0. Intercepted. Agawa ng bola. Pinasa kay number 14. Here's the foul. Foul on. Here's number 14. Pushing foul. 2 free throws for Jersey number 14.
Running score, 49,
First personal foul, first
56.
foul.
Lamang ang Celtics.
First roll, no good. Second. Yes, sir. Aras by number 23. Bernal is up. It's the block. With the pop. Ang inawag. Here's number 11. Number 23. Racing in. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 3 again. Hindi ba rin pumasok? Agawa ng bola. Rebound by Jersey number 11. Aras by 2. There's a foul. Foul out. Jersey number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul for Team Wolves. 0-0. Tanga ng bola. Nagharap na ang pasahan. Give it to number 11, Garcia. 14 to shoot. Number 0 for 3. Bang! 0-0. 3 points. These two balls brought us by old school basketball. Sa gitna, binigay number 23. Mama! Yes, sir! Pinama sa gitna ni Mama for 2. Number 0-0, number 14. Back to number 0-0. Back to 14, Regalado, number 11. Sa ilalim, maglampas kay Pag. Hindi na pumasok. Nagawa ng bola. At there's a call. Chop ball. Celtics ball. Ay, Wolves. Number 12. Nagong malakas sa number 11, number 14. Binigay sa ilalim, Mama. Intercepted by J. 5-5-5. The number 14, the number 0-0. Close up play, nilabas, tumira ng 3. No, sir! Nabigyan ang bola. There's a ball. Out of bounds. Right violation. Here's the number 12. Give it to number 11. Give it to number 13. Binigay kay Mama, number 23. Nawala ang bola. Dive by jersey number 13. Nakuha pa rin yung jersey number 14. Binigay kay Garcia. Sa gitna. No, sir! Ang gawin ng bola. Kapag ang bola. Nakuha yung number 23. Give it to number 13. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Jersey 0. Give it to number 19. Number 19. Yes, sir. Stop and pop. 2 shots for Jersey. Number 12. 19.
Again, another
Score. 63 to 52. 60 to 52. Sobra. 31 in, 30 now. $14 to shoot. 0-0. The number 14. 10. 6, 5, 4. It's Shot clock violation.
Volleyball.
Number 40 to number 21. Intercepted by number 00. Naki Sakikaw, yes sir, 2 points for 2-0.
Galing talaga itong munting na pass.
64-52, 12-point lead by the Celtics. Here's your number 3, Mama. Sa gitna, hanggang na ng pasa, hindi lang pumasok ang gawa ng bola. Kapag na bola, nakuha pa rin number 23. Bumaga ay 5-5-5. Fade away pass to intercepted number 0. Number 0, give it to number 19. Talagang matangkad. Foul on Calvin. Foul on here's number 31. Time out!
Lumilipad!
Celtics.
Check. Sa kabila, mga chicks.
Number 0, number 19, 14 to shoot, back to 0-0, steal by number 12, number 12 nagmamadali, to number 18, steal by Garcia to 0-0, Montilla, wala pa rin.
Sayang. Idakdak mo na.
Substitution. There is a foul committed by number 1.
Dapat dinakdak niya na, ha?
First personal foul. 13 foul. Eight to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Ang lalaki na yan.
Foul. Number 1.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Second personal foul. Substitution. Regalado out. Number 46, number 25 in, and number 555 Sardines. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Steal by Patan. Last dance by Johan Santos. Celtics 1, 0-0. To number 19, back to 0-0. To number 11, to number 19, jumps. In and out. Wolves for the rebound. Number 18, dribble in the ball. Pass by number 0-0. Pass to number 1, 2 points by number 40. Score 66. 56. 10-point lead by Celtics. 14 to shoot. Bernal jumps. Still rebound by the Celtics. Caps, rebound by Wolves. 18 to Lipatan, Caps. And now, Celtics for the rebound. Bernal, dribbling the ball, housed by number 14, Caps. And there is a foul committed by basket number 1. Substitution. Foul number 1.
Ang sakit ng sampal na yan.
Third personal foul.
Hey! Punsalan!
Bonus shot by Bernal. Score is 68-56. Bonus shot by Bernal. Basket.
Punsalan!
69-56. Remaining time 3 minutes 20 seconds for the fourth quarter. Block by Garcia. Wolves ball. 14 to shoot. Substitution. Okay na. 14 to shoot. Pilipinas. 10 to shoot. Going to number 4. 5 to shoot. Joan. Wala. Celtics for the rebound. Number 9 Bernal. To number 46. Back to Bernal. Intercept by Santos. Pilipinas moving the ball. Against team 0. Pilipinas. 14 to shoot. Number 44 Caps for 2. 2 minutes 30 seconds left for the final quarter. Number 46. Inside. Montilla. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Bernal jumps. In and out. Wolves for the rebound. Number 11 Talumpides. Next up. In the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Time out. Celtics. Time left. 1 minute 53 seconds. For the final quarter.
Running score.
Is brought to you by
48.
Manila Bistro.
Ah!
Bernal. Back to 0-0. Ilabagsag. Number 25. 14 to shoot. 0-0. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 0-0 counts.
Grabe.
2 points.
Biro ni Montilla.
Substitution. Foul by number 46. Substitution. Third personal foul by number 46. Timeout Wolves. Is brought to you by Manila Bistro. Celtics. Hey, ready. 14 to shoot. Talumpides. 10 to shoot. Mama jumps. In and out. One for the rebound. Number 14 jumps. 2 points by number 14. 1 minute.
Wala na, isang na.
Number 25. Pass by number 12. Celtics ball. Substitution. Nagunsad. Regalado, back to 0-0. 25 seconds. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 8 seconds left.
Congratulations! Boston Celtics!